Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Dr. Manha English Channel. I'm Manha. We are very happy to have you here with us today.
And I'm Umar. Today's topic is very important for every English learner.
Excellent. And many learners have the same problem. They think too much in their own language, and then they lose confidence in English. But remember this, English is not about perfect translation. English is about clear thinking and simple speaking.
That sounds nice, but how can I stop translating in my head?
The first step is to stop building long sentences in your mind. Start with a small idea. For example, do not think, I need to tell everyone that I am tired because I worked all day and now I want to go home. Just think, I am tired.
So I should keep the idea small.
Exactly. Small idea, small sentence, small pressure. Now say this sentence.
I am tired.
Very good. Now say this one.
I want to go home.
Excellent. And this one?
I need some rest.
Very good. Now let us use these in daily life. If someone asks you how you feel, you do not need to translate a long sentence. You can answer directly. I am tired. I am busy. I feel happy. Or I need a break.
That is much easier than my old way of thinking.
Yes, because your brain likes simple patterns. When you use the same short English many times, it becomes natural. Now, let us practice with real situations. Umar, if you are hungry, what do you say?
I am hungry.
If you are thirsty,
I am thirsty.
if you are busy,
I am busy.
if you are late.
I am late.
Excellent. Now you already have 4 useful sentences that you can use in daily life without translation. That is real progress.
I feel better already because these sentences are easy to remember.
Good. Now let us go one step deeper. Think in English when you see something around you. Look at a chair. Do not think the word in your language first. Just say chair in your mind.
Chair.
Look at water.
Water.
Look at your phone.
Phone.
Great. This is how your mind starts connecting meaning directly with English words. You do not need to build a bridge through your first language every time.
I like that idea. It feels more direct.
Exactly. Now let us practice with a little conversation. I will ask you simple questions, and you answer quickly in English without stopping to translate. Ready?
Yes, I am ready.
How are you today?
I am good.
What are you doing now?
I am learning English.
Why are you learning English?
I want to speak better.
Very good. Now notice something important. Your answers were short, clear, and natural. You did not need a long sentence. That is the habit we want.
That makes me feel less afraid.
Good. Fear becomes smaller when the sentence becomes simpler. Now let us talk about one of the biggest mistakes. Many learners wait for the perfect sentence before they speak, but speaking is not a test of perfection. Speaking is a skill.
So I do not need to be perfect first.
Correct. You need to be understandable first. For example, if you want help, you can say, please help me. If you do not understand, you can say, I do not understand. If you need more time, you can say, give me a moment.
Those are very useful sentences.
Yes, and they are powerful because they keep you speaking. Now, say them once.
Please help me. I do not understand. Give me a moment.
Excellent. Those are real-life survival phrases. You can use them anywhere.
This is making English feel more practical.
That is the goal. Now, let us practice thinking in small blocks. For example, if you want to say, I am going to work now, do not build the whole sentence in your first language. Just think the English blocks. I am going to work now.
I am going to work now.
Very good. Another one. I am drinking tea now.
I am drinking tea now.
Another one. I am studying English now.
I am studying English now.
Excellent! Now you are beginning to think in patterns. That is very important because patterns are easier than translation.
I can see that. The shorter the pattern, the easier it is.
Yes. Now let us use pictures in your mind. If I say apple, what do you imagine?
An apple.
Good. If I say bus, what do you imagine?
A bus.
If I say room, what do you imagine?
A room.
Excellent. Now make short sentences with those words.
This is an apple. That is a bus. This is my room.
Very good. This kind of practice helps your brain link words and images directly. That is a strong habit for thinking in English.
I am starting to understand how this works.
Good. Now let us make your thinking even faster. I will say a situation, and you answer with the first simple English sentence that comes to your mind. No translation.
You are at home and you feel tired.
I am tired.
You are at the shop and you need water.
I want water.
You are in a class and you need help.
I need help.
You are with a friend and you feel happy.
I feel happy. Very good. This is exactly the skill you need. Think first of the idea, then use the simplest English you know.
That is helping me speak without fear.
Yes, and another good habit is to speak about your life every day. For example, in the morning, you can say, I wake up early. I drink water. I brush my teeth. I go to work. These are simple, useful thoughts.
I wake up early. I drink water. I brush my teeth. I go to work.
Excellent. Now do the same for the evening.
I come home. I eat dinner. I relax. I sleep.
Very good. Now you have a full day in simple English. That is practical thinking. You can do this in your mind every day until it becomes automatic.
This is much better than trying to translate every single word.
Yes, because translation slows your mind down. Direct thinking speeds it up. Now, let us practice with questions. If someone asks, what do you want? What do you say?
I want tea.
If someone asks, where are you? What do you say?
I am here.
If someone asks, what do you need? What do you say?
I need time.
Excellent! These short answers are very useful in daily life.
I can see how this would help in real conversation.
Good. Now, let us talk about another important habit. Think in English when you look at your day. For example, if you are eating, think, I am eating. If you are walking, think, I am walking. If you are waiting, think, I am waiting.
I am eating. I am walking. I am waiting. Very good. This is simple, but it trains your brain. The more you think this way, the less you rely on translation.
I want to practice this every day.
That is a smart decision. Now, let us make a short, natural conversation about your day.
How is your day?
My day is good.
Are you busy?
Yes, I am busy. Do you want a break?
Yes, I want a break.
Very good. You answered quickly and clearly. That is the target.
It feels good when I speak without overthinking.
Exactly. Because overthinking makes speaking heavy. Simple thinking makes speaking light. Now, let us practice one more thing. When you cannot say a full sentence, say a small sentence first. For example, if you want to say, I am very busy today because I have many tasks, you can first say, I am busy today. Then later add more.
I am busy today.
Then add one more part.
I have many tasks.
Then another part.
I need to work.
Very good. Now combine them.
I am busy today. I have many tasks. I need to work.
Excellent. That is how natural English grows, not in one giant jump, but in small, easy steps.
I like this way much more.
Good. Now let us finish with a final daily practice. Say these sentences in your mind every day. I am ready. I can learn. I can speak. I will try.
I am ready. I can learn. I can speak. I will try.
Very good. Now say them one last time with confidence.
I am ready. I can learn. I can speak. I will try.
Excellent, Umar. Today, you learned how to stop translating, how to think in small English ideas, and how to speak more naturally in daily life. Keep practicing a little every day, and your mind will start choosing English faster and more easily. The more you think in English, the more natural you will sound.
Thank you so much for listening to Dr. Manha English Channel.
If you enjoyed this podcast, please like this video.
Share it with your friends who want to learn English.
And do not forget to subscribe to Dr. Manha English Channel.
We create simple English podcasts to help you speak confidently.
Keep practicing
Keep learning.
and never stop improving your English.
We will meet you again in the next episode with another interesting English podcast.
Until then, keep listening, keep speaking.
Goodbye and take care.